Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new supplier on Sage Accounting software. To add a new supplier, you can go to your quick links and go to that pink button, hover above it and it will expand, and there is suppliers section there, or we can go through contact section and click on suppliers. Click on new supplier and fill in contact details as requested. So starting with business name, contact person and reference if you are using reference numbers, email address and mobile or phone number of this supplier. Also at the bottom there's 3 options to fill in, like account details, which would include address and default account of this supplier. That means that when you will add an invoice, it will default to that particular code already. Also, you can add the payment details. So when you will need to pay to this supplier, you will have bank details provided here. Also, if supplier have set a particular credit limit to us, then we would add this information here. For example, if they have set a credit limit £1,000, it will be here. If payment terms are below 30 days, we can amend to, let's say, 14 days, or if payment terms are 60 days, they can be changed here. So it's in line with what's been agreed with the supplier. Also, we can add any notes, for example, who need to be contacted, or if there is purchase order number, all these notes can be saved and kept on supplier's account. So I will fill in details I will fill details of this supplier. So if you want change about this supplier, click on this supplier and you will have an option to change contacts and addresses if needed, or add a new contact. Payment details can be amended. Example, if bank has been changed at a later point and if they send an email notification or letter, this can be amended here. Options include account details or GDPR personal data if needed to be changed. It can be done here. And also any other notes. So there is a note about purchase order number what need to be quoted, but if there is any other information, it can be edited and more details can be added. So this is the way how you can add a new supplier on Sage Accounting software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you have decided to start using Sage Accounting software, but you are not sure where and how to start, I have shared a link in the description section below to my complete Sage tutorial. You can check it out